Have you ever pondered why the world's largest ocean, which covers a third of our planet, contains no large landmass? Is it merely filled with water, or does it hide a story that we cannot comprehend without understanding our Earth? This is our planet, an astonishing world, cloaked in blue waters and green continents. But have you ever noticed that a portion of this beautiful planet seems somewhat empty? When we look at a map of the world, we see land everywhere: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America. But if we flip the map around and look at the other side, it's strangely different. There's a whole part of the Earth with no large continent, no vast land, but only water. This is the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is so large that it can contain all of North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica with room to spare. Its area is 165 million square kilometers, approximately 30% of the Earth's total surface area. Such a vast ocean, yet why isn't there any large continent here? The answer to this simple question is as mysterious and startling as it gets. All the other continents are huddled together on one side, while a part of the world is filled with nothing but the sea. Why is this so? Is it merely a coincidence, or something happened in Earth's history that deliberately made it this way? When you look at the map closely, it's clear that all the continents strangely fit together, like a giant jigsaw puzzle that has fallen apart. This puzzle begins millions of years ago, when there was only one continent on Earth, which we know today as Pangaea. And surrounding it was a single ocean, Panthalassa. When we say that the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world, it's not just a claim, but a fact that is difficult to comprehend. If you want to gauge its enormity, imagine being in the Pacific Ocean between Chile and Peru, and if you could dig straight through the Earth from there, where would you end up? Astonishingly, you would still end up in the Pacific Ocean, this time near Vietnam and Taiwan. Two opposite directions of the Earth and the same ocean in both places. The Earth's circumference is approximately 40,000 kilometers, and there are points within the Pacific Ocean that are more than 20,000 kilometers apart. That's half the Earth's distance contained within one ocean. The marine area, stretching from Indonesia to Colombia, is almost 20,000 kilometers long, so long that it can accommodate the Moon 5 times over with room to spare. Why isn't there a large piece of land in such a vast area? The vastness of this ocean is such that human eyes can never fully see it. If a person stands on the shore, they can only see up to about 5 kilometers towards the horizon. Even if someone is in a plane flying at the height of Mount Everest, they could only see a portion of the Pacific Ocean up to 370 kilometers. And even if you look from the International Space Station 400 kilometers above, you still won't see the entire ocean. If you zoom in on Google Earth, or even look from a height of 63,000 kilometers, you can only see 95% of the Pacific Ocean, with land only covering 5%. Now think, when an ocean is so vast that it can contain all the continents of the Earth and still have room to spare, the question arises, where did this vastness come from? Is it a conspiracy of nature or a deep story of geography? To find out, we must return to the history of the Earth when everything was one. One land, one ocean, one story. This takes us back to approximately 200 million years ago. At that time, the Earth was not at all like it is today. There were neither 7 continents nor multiple oceans. In conclusion, our world is a fascinating place filled with mysteries and wonders. The Pacific Ocean, with its vastness and lack of land, poses questions that take us back millions of years to a time when our world was a very different place. Understanding the past helps us appreciate the present and anticipate the future. And the Pacific Ocean, with its silent depths and vast expanse, is a reminder of the ever-changing and dynamic nature of our planet.